Hagasi Pyllait jongka tayo ka sengsan perthai Hspdp kala Pyllait bite by ka Manifesto jongka na ka Bynta ka election MLA 8,000 Pyllait. Habakrer kila thai khubor president ka seng uba ki pipang yang ulong bakani ka seng kan beteng ban yakhi ban yakhun na ka Bynta ka jingdawa ban yo no la ka jong ka khasi jaintia state lani la ka jong ka jala kat kum ka article ka balai spa nyo puwe jong ka constitution kari India. Katu kat ni ki weipat kimat ki blakin thup lang hakani ka manifesto kilong ka jing persha e ka jing wanra e kalen tirel ka jing persha e ka jing ti uranium ha ka jala Meghalaya ka jing pun urlong e ka jing pendap an penbet no e upur usam bat ka jala Assam bat ki wei de hakani ka sngi ka Hspdp kala Pyllait ru e ka list ka baar jong ki kertong ki banya khun hakani ki election
settlement of the interstate boundary. Since the settlement of the interstate boundary is yet to be settled, we keep on to demand the government of the state and the government of India to bring final and permanent solution with regard the boundary in between Meghalaya and Assam. Fifth, the internal line permit. As every citizen is aware of the fact that the government of Meghalaya has passed the resolution to implement the ILP. So the party now demand from the government of India to implement the ILP immediately within the state of Meghalaya. Number 6, language. We demand the government of India to recognize the Khasi language in the 8th schedule to the Constitution of India, as per the resolution passed by the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. Railway, the party will not accept the implementation of railway until and unless protection and mechanism should be put in place. Uranium mining in Meghalaya, the party strongly opposed to mine the uranium in Meghalaya because it will bring disasters to the life and to the life of the people and even to the life of the people and even to the plants.